So I'm gonna make her the model of my sunglasses that I'm gonna feature. Yes. Char. Yeah. Ikaw sara ka katong colored gani kana kanang colored. Kana ga. Unsa? Kile yun. Confidence. Sige lang. Mabawi rin natin yung beauty gang. Yes. That's my model. That's my model. So if you want to have a business of sunglasses, especially in the provinces, you can buy it wholesale here. I'm here right now in Sunglasses Haven here in Colon Street because I'm gonna purchase. From Marites, I'm gonna purchase some sunglasses. Someone sent me here to buy some sunglasses. So, kani. Tulo naman ni siya. This Ray-Ban here costs 30 pesos each. So, saan yung mga Oakley Ray-Ban? Kani. So, for 30 pesos, I'm just gonna give him and her everything that is in here that I like. I'll have a pink one as well. Ganda ka isa ko anong kanang circle nga kuan sunglasses kani 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 gray ay lang ning yellow go ilang kagnaw. Saan siya? Isod o plastic binindot na siya gang. 10 with my pink one. 11 12 kanang circle gay ang kuan ga. Kada dara. Kuan ni gang. So I'll have one of these. Okay. Rain tag yapon siya da. Blue, purple, gold, mas nindot ni blue da. And the black blue. So there you are. It's located in Manalili Street. They also got caps and makeup from China. So it's summer right now. This is asa mga Oakley ana? Tanawa ko na ko. Oakley. 1 2 3 4 So magkuha sa kog Oakley sa.
Lagi. Edit lang.
There, 30. Parehara ni color. Itong kuan. Lahi nga Oakley. Katong sa nganin inanib pikas ni siya. Dagay ko anag usa gabi. Dara ramen diri kana ro. Puti, puti unsa gum. Moy kuan sa imo. She's very pretty ka ika Maritisa ka. Kani ako aga. So that's the sunglasses I'm purchasing. Na ako anang kana ga ba? Anang gold. So you can choose all your different sunglasses. Kana kay gold o blue ga tagay ko tagsa ana ga bi. Kana ba kana nya ang gold sa dana. Okay. Magwapa ka imo. Imo na man mo diri. Ha? Di mana bitaw? Oh. Man na. Mga gwapo kay mong duha oy. Karera na ga. Ay, siya presyo pila ni? 65. Oh, this is 65 pesos. Okay ra, duha ra bitaw ko tatlo. Gwapo kay mong duha. Asa siya? Parang nindot na mga kutis. So, so if you want to have your sunglasses, this is the kaning mga inanin the prime A, class A. Class A no. These are the class A one that's near to the original. Tagpila sa ning class A ga. 300 pesos for the original. Okay. Kana lang baratuhon ako agang there. Oh, your sunglasses. Katutanan ga. Kamu ba nga nindot kay mo kutis ngano man. Nga nindot kay mo kutis kung. Kaya ka oh. So like clear glasses, Ray-Bans, everything for 30 pesos each. Kids glasses. Naman day mo hat ko ano eh. Even that Louis Vuitton glass case. Tagpila na siyang sunglass case. For 70 pesos each. So kanara ko aga. Putos na ati. Apil aw ni ako aw. Ni ako. Mo ba ni? Aw ako ba ni? Daraga oy. Dina ako. So if you see people selling sunglasses, they actually buy it here. Guwapa. Mas guwapa siya. Hi. Yeah. Her business is selling sunglasses. Yes. Oh, ikaw.
Hi, I'm
Pag glasses ga. Pasulo ba siya glasses kay himo na kong model. Kana akong paliton ga basulo bag usa. Sige, sulubig usa ga. Kana sulubig usa. You have everything from sunglass, accessories. Siniga. Bracelet. Fashion accessories, makeup, perfume. There, 90 pesos per milliliters. So you can have Chanel, Dolce & Gabbana, Versace, 90 pesos per milliliter. This one here is 60 pesos per milliliter. There. So I often buy wholesale here in Colon because it's cheaper. For sunglasses that I always lose, but since someone requested me to come here, that's why I was here purposely for that. These are all your rebonding elements. You can buy it here. Hair coloring, hair conditioning for parlors, you can buy it wholesale here. And also manicure, nail paints, nail polish I mean. and school supplies. I like buying here because it's economically priced, most especially the sunglasses. The one on the boxes are actually 60 pesos on this side, 30 pesos on that side.